Whoa! There are a group of proteins that are super special. We call them enzymes. These proteins are extremely important, so we can carry on many of the chemical reactions that we have in our body. Many chemical reactions will take, under regular conditions and with the help of enzymes, just a second or even less than a second. Without enzymes, the same chemical reaction might take minutes, hours, even weeks to be able to be performed. So enzymes are extremely important. Remember that one of the characteristics of life is the capability of performing chemical reactions, to have metabolism. So in this case, enzymes are the divas of our chapter right now. Okay, what we have in here is an enzyme, a regular enzyme. We call this the enzyme. This is the substrate. This is the subject of the enzyme. The enzyme is going to work in these substrates, but it's not going to work on any substrate. Only the one with the perfect shape will be able to interact with the enzyme. The portion of the enzyme that gets in contact with the substrate is called the active site. Here is the important part of the enzyme. Once we have the enzyme and the substrate together, the enzyme will be able to perform its work. In this case, this drawing is talking about a hydrolytic enzyme. The work of this enzyme is going to split the substrate into two. So once the substrate gets into the active site, this is going to be released different. Here we have it. Now, this substrate has been modified by the work of this enzyme. So this is most of the times the work of an enzyme. Speed up chemical reactions, making life possible. We can only sustain our own life through the help of many enzymes in the many chemical reactions that we have to perform to be alive. Okay, imagine this is the enzyme of a bacteria. Right now we are inside of a bacteria, all right? Some antibiotics work just by interacting or blocking the work of the enzyme. So if an antibiotic has the ability to come over here and block this area or this other area, this enzyme wouldn't be able to join to the substrate, so it wouldn't be able to work. Being this enzyme so important, this bacteria may even die, just because this bacteria wouldn't have this enzyme available to work because it has been blocked by the action of an antibiotic. So just to give you an idea how important enzymes are, think about this. Some antibiotics are able to block the action of enzymes inside of bacteria. Therefore, bacteria may even die. There you go. Now you have a rough idea about how enzymes work and how important they are. A special type of protein, so important, we reserve this little chapter for enzymes. I hope you enjoyed this lesson.